In this video, I am going to find the length of the arc of the parabola y square equal to 16x measured from the vertex to an extremity of the lateral rectum. So first, so we should understand what is the lateral rectum of a parabola. So the lateral rectum of a parabola is nothing but a straight line or a perpendicular line, a straight line which is passing through the focus, but it is perpendicular to the x-axis. Because you can see here, y square equal to 16x is a right-handed parabola. So since it is a right-handed parabola, the lateral rectum will be a line passing through the focus of this parabola, and it is perpendicular to the x-axis. So here, first of all, let us know what is the focus of this. So here I have written y square equal to 16x. So do we have this? This you can say y square equal to 16x. So y square equal to 16x can be written as 4 into 4x. So if you convert in the form of y square equal to 4ax, so a is 4. So the focus coordinate of the focus is nothing but it is 4 comma 0. So here we get the coordinate of the focus is 4 comma 0, and this is our lateral rectum. So we want to find from the origin till the lateral rectum. So we want to find only this line a to b. What is the line AB? We want to find this. Okay, so first of all, I'm taking the curve here. So I am taking the curve as y squared equal to 16x. I differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we get here 2y dy by dx equal to 16. Differentiation of x is 1. So we get 16. So here we get dy by dx, which is equal to this 2y, you bring this side. So 2 and 16 cancel. We get 8. So 8 by y. So let us find this one first. 1 plus dy by dx whole thing square. So 1 here. So 8 by y whole thing square. So 8 8 is 64 y square. Do the LCM this. So we get here, we get as y square plus 64 divided by y square. So y square value, we know already y square is here. We know the value of y square is 16x. You put here 16x. So 16x plus 64, 16x. So from this, I can take 16 common. So if I take 16 common, I left with x plus 4 divided by 16x. 16, 16 get cancelled. So we are getting here x plus 4 divided by x. Now we'll try to find the required length. So the required length, see here we are finding from the along the x-axis. So here the range, the coordinate at this point is 0 0, and the coordinate here is 4 comma 0. So the x is ranging from 0 to 4. So that's why we are giving the integration limit as 0 to 4. Square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole thing square dx. Now we'll substitute this value in this. So if we substitute this value here, we are getting this 1 plus dy by dx whole thing square we have done already. So we are getting square root of x plus 4 by x dx. So you multiply with x plus 4 again. X plus 4 divided by x plus 4. So we get here x plus 4 whole thing square, x into this x plus 4 dx. So x plus 4 whole thing square will come out of the square root. So we are getting here x plus 4 divided with square root of x square plus 4x dx. So if the integration, if the integration is of this type, then what you take the numerator, you give a constant equal to a constant, differentiate the whatever is inside the square root. So I'm taking x square plus 4x and plus another constant. Our aim is to find what is a and b. So here I'm differentiating this, so we get 2x plus 4 plus b. Now I'll try to compare the coefficient of x on both sides. So if I compare the coefficient of x on both sides, so here the coefficient of x is 1, and here is what? 2a. So we get 2a, 1 equal to 2a. So what is a? A is nothing but half. A equal as 1 by 2. Now you compare the constant term on both sides. You compare the constant term on both sides. Here the constant term is 4, and here is 4a plus b. So here we get 4 equal to 4a plus b. So a, we have to find b. So b is nothing but 4 minus 4a. So 4 minus 4. A, we know the value. It is half. You put here. So we get 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got b equal to 2. So required length, we have already got till here. So integration 0 to 4, x plus 4 divided by square root of x square plus 4x dx. In place of x plus 4, we'll keep a value first. So a is 1 by 2. Then differentiation of whatever is inside, so 2x plus 4 plus b we got here 2, so we are putting here 2, divide by square root of x squared plus 4x dx. Then here we have this. We'll separate now this separately, so 1 by 2 I'm writing here. Integration from 0 to 4, 2x plus 4 divided by square root of x squared plus 4x dx, plus, and again 2 is again I'll separate this and this also, so 2 divide and 0 integration 0 to 4, 2 divided by square root of x squared plus 4x dx. And in the same way we are going to proceed how to integrate this. Okay, so in the beginning, how to integrate this, I'm going to take this as my t. I'll substitute this as my t, and this I'll try to complete the square. So here I'm substituting this as t. Okay, t equal to x squared plus 4x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dt by dx we get as 2x plus 4. So dt by 2x plus 4 equal to dx. Okay, now we'll try, since it is definite integral, we'll try to change the limit in terms of t. So when x is 0, you put here x 0, we get t is also 0. When x is 4, you put here 4, you get t to be 32. So we get t here 32. So the limit will change from 0 to 32. Now for the next part of the integration, we have x squared plus 4x. So try to complete the square. So this I took as x squared plus 2 into x into 2. So here b is 2. So plus 2 square. I'm adding this 2 square. So I have to subtract this. I'm writing minus 2 square. From here till here, this is nothing but x plus 2 whole thing square. So I'm writing here x plus 2 whole thing square minus 2 square. We get here minus 2 square. So this, okay, so we have 1 to 2 integration 0 to 32. Okay, 0 to 32. 2x plus 4, here square root. In place of this I'm putting t. Okay, in place of this I'm substituting t, dt by 2x plus 4 plus 2 is constant, will come out of integration, and here we are putting the value 0 to 4 dx divided by square root of x plus 2 whole thing square minus 2 square by using this. Okay, we are going using this. So this and this get cancelled, so t to the root t, so I bring up, so we'll get t to the power minus half t dt plus 2. How to integrate this one? Okay, so this integration is of this type. This integration is of this type. This is x. You can think here as x. Okay, we can think as this is x squared minus a squared, square root of this. The square root of this one is the formula. Say here, integration dx by square root of x squared minus a squared is log x plus square root of x squared minus a squared. So I'm going to use this formula. So if I use this formula here, so we have here log x, so x plus 2 plus square root of x squared minus a squared, so x plus 2 whole thing square minus 2 square. And the limit is from 0 to 4. So if we try to integrate this, we have to integrate with the formula. So minus t to the power minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1. So from here we get half, here also we get half. So that is square root of t, and this half 2 will go up, so we get 2 root t from 0 to 32 plus here we are having 2. Then we'll try to put the upper limit here. So first I'll put here upper limit. In place of x I'm putting 4. Then I give minus sign and keep the lower limit as 0. So here we get this 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have root t from 0 to 32 plus log. So 4 plus 2 we get 6. Okay, 4 plus 2 we get 6. 6 square is 36, and minus 4, 2 square is 4. 36 minus 4 is 32. So we get square root of 32 minus 0 plus 2 we get 2, and here we get plus 0 plus 2 we get 2 square minus 2 square, that is 0. So this part will get 0. So we have minus log 2. So here we can root 32 is nothing but it is 4 root 2. So we get here 4 root 2. Then here also I'm trying to put the upper limit, so we get root 32 minus 0 root 0. So root 32 is nothing but 4 root 2, so we have 4 root 2. Root 0 is 0. Then I'll try to this two and take common, so I try to combine by using the log property. Since we have minus, so this will be divided by this, so we have 6 plus 4 root 2 divided by 2. So you can take common from here too, so we get 2, you take common and you cancel this 2, so we are left with 3 plus 2 root 2. So we are left here 3 plus 2 root 2. Now this 3 I can write as 1 plus 2 and plus 2 root 2. So 2 can be also be written as root 2 whole thing square, and 1 can be written as 1 square. So this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is nothing but a plus b whole thing square. So that is 1 plus root 2 whole thing square. So we get here 1 plus root 2 whole thing square. Now using the log property, this will come down. So we get 2 into 2, we get 4. So 4 log 1 plus root 2. So 2 into 2 we get 4. So 4 you can take common. So we are left with root 2 log 1 plus root 2. So that is the length of the parabola from the origin to the lattice rectum. Thank you.